Let's dive into this explainer on helping your kids actually focus and crush it in their studies.
Does their focus constantly wander? Honestly, you're not alone. Let's tackle those pesky digital distractions together.
First up, Pillar 1, understanding what exactly distracts them. Look at this contrast. A chaotic, noisy room kills focus, but a quiet, bright space totally inspires it. You gotta implement a strict no screen time slot. It's an absolute game changer for rebuilding their attention span. Next is Pillar 2, creating the right environment and routine. Build a solid daily routine. Set fixed study hours, sure, but definitely include active play and rest, too. And crucially, kids literally need 8 to 10 hours of sleep to lock in memories and retain knowledge. Try the Pomodoro technique to stop burnout. 25 minutes of focused study, then a quick 5-minute brain break. Moving right along to Pillar 3, fostering genuine interest. Keep it fun. Use game-based learning, visual stories, and cool real-life projects that actually connect to their world. Balancing those quick daily wins with big long-term dreams, that builds crazy momentum and a real sense of purpose. Finally, Pillar 4, building internal discipline. Let them make small decisions. It totally fosters independence and builds a lifelong internal habit of self-study. Toys fade, right? But emotional rewards, like genuine praise and shared activities, create that deep, lasting internal motivation. Remember, this is a slow journey. It takes serious patience and teamwork to go from routine to self-discipline. As Dr. Kalam famously said, dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Always encourage dreaming big. Try sharing these 5 stories of great leaders. It'll profoundly inspire them and show exactly what's possible. So, are you ready to build an environment that sparks true curiosity today? You've absolutely got this.